And we're rolling.
And cold. Oh, lovely water. Good. Okay. Okay.
Are you okay to, blend it or
No, I got both pair of glasses on. October 11th, 1969. A rush of crimson heat flushes out through Maura's embarrassed cheeks. She is aware, but doesn't care, as parts of her melts into the noticeable warmth of Tim's dreamy body. The pulse of his left thigh and muscular arm as they rub up and down the right side of Maura's ecstatic self are enough to make a young girl almost, or maybe she did, moan out loud. These are the details that memories love to live in. I'm so glad for the loud roar this truck makes. Maura sighs. Now here, Maura is blissfully unaware of all, including the wretched smelly smells of time piled up in here. At first her nose noticed and scrunched up as she half crawled her way through who knows what, across this lumpy, springless seat, to plunk herself down as close as she dared next to the giant metal shifter rising out of the peekaboo floor. Some details would rather be forgotten. This looming piece of metal separates her from Doug, the newbie driver, and positions her just right against her first kiss, first love, Tim. Teenage wanderlust, timeless. Rules and regulations, time-bound. When you're almost 14, being in motion is almost that matters. I am so loving, yeah. I want to redo this one. The almost 14. When you're almost 14, being in motion is all that matters. I am so loving this dream. Don't pinch me, life. I don't ever want to wake up. Done. I want to put a comma. When you're almost 14, comma. When you're almost 14, comma. Being in motion is all that matters. See? They know. We're done. Serendipity.
Freaking dippity.
We're here a lot.
Oh.
Waving.